3 weeks ago on this show, we covered UPS cutting 30,000 jobs. That episode went viral. Thousands of y'all watched it live. But here's what nobody added up. 30,000 this year, plus 48,000 last year. 78,000 jobs gone from one company in 14 months. That's a lot. That is a lot. Ain't that something? Crazy, huh? 78,000 jobs gone. And last week, the Teamsters filed an emergency lawsuit to stop the next round of buyouts. 6 violations of the national contract filed in federal court. This story is escalating. But here's the number that changes everything. In the same week that UPS story hit the courts, Anthropic, the company that made my favorite AI tool, Claude, closed a $30 billion funding round, $380 billion in valuation. Revenue growing 10 times every year for 3 straight years. 78,000 jobs out, $30 billion in. Same economy, same week. Now, to some of you, this may seem like a recession, but this is not a recession. A recession means everything goes down. Everything is not going down. The money isn't disappearing, and it didn't disappear. It moved. It's replacing one economy with another. Meanwhile, a 47-year-old senior software development manager, he spent 11 years at Amazon. He got laid off by email in the middle of the night. His high school daughter taught him how to move forward and to keep it moving forward. He is now building AI projects from his living room. And a woman with an English degree started off as an executive assistant, pivoted into AI, used one free certification to change her entire career. Today, we are going to break down the replacement economy. What's being replaced, who's being replaced, and where the money is going. And most importantly, how you position yourself for it. Guys, this is the Daily Climb. Let's look at the data. Let's move on to our first segment for today, okay? Let's talk a little bit about UPS and the developing story behind it. All right? If you've been watching this show, you already know the UPS story. We covered the $30,000 or the 30,000 job cut announcement on January the 28th. But today, I want you to see the full picture, because when you add it all up, the number is much bigger than what the headlines told you. On July 2025, UPS launched the first driver buyout program, offered $1,800 per year of service, minimum $10,000, okay? So drivers nationwide, they rejected it. Nah, we don't want that. Some of them literally shredded the offer letters. Nah, we don't want that. We're not touching that. Some set them on fire on social media. I remember covering them, looking at TikTok videos and YouTube videos and so forth. Then came October 2025, 34,000 operational job cuts, 14,000 management job cuts, 48,000 total. 93 facilities shut down in 1 year. January 2026, 30,000 more, 24 facilities. If you add it all up, 78,000 jobs, 117 facilities closed or are closing from one company in 14 months. 78,000 jobs, guys. That is a lot of people. Many of you guys are used to seeing your UPS trucks driving up and down your neighborhood, delivering packages and so forth. You may not be seeing your UPS drivers very much longer. And you probably have seen the shift already with these changes that they've been making. That's not a layoff. That is a restructuring of an entire industry when you are talking about 78,000 jobs gone.